Editing is one of the skills you need to have as a content creator. If you are doing video content creation, you need to have the basic editing skills. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do simple editing. So especially for beginners that are just starting content creation that don't know how to edit at all. In this video, I'm going to be specific about how to cut your video, how to split your video, how to remove unwanted places, how to remove imperfections on your video. Continue watching as I walk you through. If you are a beginner in the world of editing, this is a video you want to watch, because the major basic skill you should have in editing is how to cut, remove unwanted places, and this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video, so make sure you watch till the end. I'm going to be using the InShot app because it's beginner friendly, because this tutorial is for those that don't even know how to even cut and split, like remove unwanted places. Absolute beginners, okay? So continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the InShot app. You tap to open. So if you don't have InShot, you go to Google Play Store, then you download InShot app. So you go to video here that says video, you tap on video. Once you tap on video, you're going to go to here that says new, then you go to this plus sign here, you tap on it. So what you're going to do here is to select the video you want to edit. So this is a video you must have filmed that you want to edit, okay? So let me go for this video. Let me tap. So this particular video was filmed in 16:9 aspect ratio, which is for YouTube. That is, it was filmed in a landscape. It was not filmed vertically. So this is the video here, and I'm going to cut this video short. Like, I'm going to cut the video and remove one particular side so that we can work with a little part of the video. So we have the video here, right? So this video is 11 minutes long. I'm going to take like 3 minutes of the video to work with and get rid of the other one so that this video will not be too long. Now let's take 3 minutes. Just watch here. This is the duration of the video down here. So I'm going to be taking 3 minutes of this video to work with, to show you how to cut and remove unwanted places. So let me take 3 minutes of the video. As you guys can see, this is where I'm watching until it gets to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to cut out the other side. So just watch closely. This is 3 minutes. Okay. Now you are seeing this line here. This line here works with splitting. Okay. This particular line you're seeing here, this white line here, this is what you should focus on if you want to cut out unwanted places from your video. Take for instance, I want to cut out this particular side of the video. I need only 3 minutes of this video to work with. Now I've brought this particular line to this 3 minutes. So all I need to do is to tap on this video, okay, for me to cut out this other side. Okay, so what you're going to do is to tap on the video like this. So once you tap on the video, you're going to see this line here, this horizontal line. Aside from this particular long line here, you're going to see this horizontal line, right? So I'm just making this as simple as possible for those that have not even attempted editing before, okay? Remember that what we are doing today is splitting, cutting out unwanted places. That is what this particular tutorial is all about. So as you guys can see, what you want to do is, once you've positioned the particular line where you want to cut out the video, you tap on it, then you're going to see these two lines here, and this is split. So this is what you're going to be working with in this particular tutorial, split, which is the major basic video editing for every beginner. Okay, once you start knowing how to cut your video, split your video, okay, that is the starting point for your editing journey and of course your content creation journey, right? So I've positioned this particular line where I want to split the video. Then I have these two lines here. So all I need to do is to cut out this particular side and to leave only this 3 minutes side. All you do is to go to here that says split. Okay, so what this does is to separate one video into two. Okay, so let me tap on split. I tap on split. Once I tap on split, you're going to notice that this has splitted. So this has become two different videos. Video one, which is this, then tap on this video two. We have two videos. Now we have the 3 minutes video I want to work with. Then we have the remaining 8 minutes 15 seconds video. So this is the one we want to get rid of. Okay, we don't want this because I don't want this video to be too long. The next thing I'm going to do is to tap on delete to delete this particular side of the video, leaving me with the 3-minute video which I want to work with. Okay, so to delete, just tap on it. Once you tap on this like this, you're going to see these 2 lines here. Then you can go ahead to tap on delete to delete the place you don't want. Okay, let me tap on delete. As you guys can see, I've tapped on delete and I've gotten rid of this particular side of the video, leaving me with only the 3-minute video. So what I have here is just 3 minutes, as you guys can see here, 3 minutes for the whole video. Now let's start working with this 3 minutes. So I'm going to show you how to cut out imperfections, how to cut out unwanted places, making this video perfect. Okay, now starting with this video, like I said, this is me wanting to on the camera to start talking, right? So the first thing we are going to do is to locate that particular side I was trying to touch the camera to start talking. Then we get rid of that. Just a similar and a typical example of what I just showed you, where we wanted to split the other side I didn't want to work with, right? So to do this, as you guys can see, if you watch closely, you see where my hand is going. That was when I wanted to touch the camera to start talking. Okay, so we want to get rid of that part, right? So we are going to still follow the same process I used to, get rid of this other one, this other remaining part which I didn't want to work with. Am I making sense? Let's do that. So to get rid of this particular point, I was trying to touch the camera to start, talking. That is the particular point we are going to get rid of first. We don't want it to appear in the video. It will look, somehow. So we want to start talking on the video without, seeing me touching the camera first. So let me play it. So as you'll be playing it to know where you need to, remove imperfections. You will be playing the video to know. Okay, so let me tap on play. Let me play this video. So you have to be very, very smart to know the particular point you're supposed to get rid of. So as you guys can see, this particular point now I think is okay for me. Then once you've gotten to where you want to split it, what you need to do is just to tap on this play icon to pause the video. Then you now go ahead to cut it. So at this particular point, I think this is a perfect point where I should cut out the video so that the remaining I can start talking immediately. Okay, so all I need to do is just to still tap on the video again like this. Once you see these 2 lines here, okay, you go ahead and tap on split. Okay, so let me play this video to see. Let's go to play. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about good. As you guys can see, from this particular point, I started talking. So this particular area, I'm going to get rid of this particular area because this was the point where I wanted to touch the camera to start talking. Okay, so let me play the video from this point to this point. So you see why I wanted to remove this place. Let me tap on play. Good. So this is the part we don't want. So this is an example of cutting out imperfections. This part is an imperfection because this was the point I wanted to touch the camera to film my videos and start talking. So we don't want this part. So this is a simple way on how to get rid of unwanted places. So all you need to do is just to be smart enough to focus on where there's imperfection. Then you place this particular pencil icon on the particular place like I did here to cut it from here, okay, to get rid of this particular side where I was trying to on the camera, okay. I've highlighted this. This is the part that I was trying to touch the camera, so I don't want it. So to get rid of it, I've already tapped on it like this. So you're going to see a box, shielding the particular side you want to cut off. Okay, so once this is done like this, all you need to do is to go to where that says delete, then you delete it. So I've deleted that particular part where I wanted to touch the camera. This is a typical example on how you can split your video, okay? So let's still be going. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about profitable niches on YouTube. So these niches are highly profitable and people always watch this type of content around these niches. And also these niches probably make, and also these niches also... Good. So there is a place I also made a mistake. Okay, so you just have to be listening to the video to know where you made that mistake or where that imperfection is. Then you try as much as possible to highlight it with this particular line so that you can be able to get rid of it. So let's take it again and let me listen to this video again. And also this thing is probably Good. So let me take it from here because I repeated it twice. Okay, so let me cut it from here. So once you target that particular place where you made mistake, just use this pencil to hold it first. Then you go to split, you tap on split. So once you tap on split, so let's continue. And also this stitch is probably good. This is another place where I should split it. Okay, let me play to see. And also this stitch. So I'm going to still cut it out again. Make good. I'm still going to cut out this make again. Okay, if you look at these two boxes here, this one and this one, these are imperfections in this video and I want to get rid of them. So once you focus on that place you have imperfections, all you need to do is just to use this pen to, hold it and secure it so that it will be easy for you to delete. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this now and this now, okay, so that the video will be perfect, right? So just go to this box, you tap on it, you go to delete, you tap on delete, you go to this particular place again, you tap on it, you go to this place that says delete, you tap on delete. Okay, so I think it's going to be better now. Let's start playing it from here again. Around these niches, and also these niches also have good RPA, like they make more money on the platform. Okay, I'm going to be listing out 5 profitable niches on YouTube, booming niches that even if you start creating content around these niches today, okay, you might find your videos or your content discovered on time. Number 1 niche is YouTube tips. Okay, this is a niche. Good. This is another place I need to cut out imperfections. Okay, if you can listen very well to this video. Okay, this is a good. This is a. So let me cut it out. Okay, this is. Just have to be, attentive to know a particular place you didn't. That is not just flowing well with you, then you target it, then you use this pencil to cut it out. Okay, this is good. This is a okay, so I'm going to cut it from that place that says good. We don't want this particular side, we want to cut it off, okay, to have a good video, right? So go to this particular box, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you go to delete, you tap on delete. Okay, this is a niche that has been in existence. So let me cut out one part. I don't want that is now. I want that has been in existence. Okay, the niche that is now good. That is now. Then I cut it or I split it. Tap on split. Okay. So we're going to split out that is now. A niche that has been in existence. Good. So let's get rid of this particular one. Okay, you go to delete, tap on delete. That has been in existence and is a niche that is always gaining traction and is highly profitable. Okay, so this niche is where you give tips about YouTube growth, YouTube success, YouTube strategy. Okay, how to grow your YouTube channel. So the bottom line is, once you locate the particular place that is not perfect, that you're repeating words or what you're saying is not aligning, so the key thing is just to target it with this particular line. Then you cut by splitting it. You go to splitting, you tap on split, then you just go to split and get rid of them. Let me not make this video too long. I think I've shown you guys the basic way of how you can get rid of imperfections or how to cut and split your videos, especially those particular parts you don't want. Okay, so I think let me stop here. In essence, all you need to do is just to make sure that you locate a particular area that is not good in the video. Okay, then you go to split, you tap on split, you split it to get rid of the unwanted place. And that is all. I hope you've learned something from this particular tutorial. That is how you can cut out imperfections from your video or unwanted places in your video. Make sure that when you're splitting your video, look for this splitting sign. This is what you're going to be using to be doing the cutting, and joining. Cutting and joining. This particular feature on this app is what you're going to be using to cut and split and join your video to perfection. Okay, so that is it, guys. Hope this was helpful. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.